Hello everybody, in this video I'm going to talk about Amp, which is an audio effect by Ableton and is an emulation of amplifiers. It's been developed with the help of Softtube. So let's dive into it. I prepared an operator with a sine wave. This is it. A clean sine wave. And now let's see how AMP works and how it's structured and what are its parameters. So we have this window which changes depending on the module, on the mode you choose. We have clean, boost, blues, rock, lead, heavy and bass. And each one of these modes are an emulation of a specific type of amp. Now I won't cover the actual amp that each mode replicates, but we'll just focus on how it sounds. Then for each mode we have the same parameters below. We have gain, which allows us to drive the signal into it, and by driving more or less we can have an heavier or softer effect and distortion. Then we have bass, middle and treble, which is a sort of EQ. You can level the bass frequencies, the mid-range and the treble. Then presence is an additional control for high end. It just behaves differently. We'll see in a few moments, in a few seconds, how it sounds. Then we have the output volume and the dry wet. Also we have the output mono and dual. If we select mono, the output will be mono. If we select dual, it will be stereo. This is the sine wave. Let's see how each mode sounds. Clean, depending on how much gain I set, we generate more harmonics. Okay, here I have a guitar loop, and now we'll see how it sounds on a casual sound and not just a clean sine wave. So this is the clean loop. Okay, let's start with clean. Boost. Blues. Rock. Lead. Heavy. And bass. So that's it for the amp. Is a really interesting effect. You can mess around with it. You can use it for 808, for basses, for anything. It offers a wide range of distortions, and I think it's really great for being a stock plugin in Ableton. See you in the next video.